Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angie K. Ke nna ngwanyana wa Motswana, kgosigadi ya Batsatsing, mohakana wa Thipa ya Shwadi, ngwanyana wa Hertzoville. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you've been here before, I really appreciate you coming back. So yeah guys, this is just a short video or a smaller nyana vlog, just to show you guys what I get up to on weekends, mostly Saturdays and Friday. So here I attended a funeral with my dad, and then after that I met up with a few of my friends just to chill and catch up, people that I went to school with. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, you guys, please subscribe. And for those who've been watching my videos, I really appreciate you guys coming back to watch my videos. I'm just hoping that my channel can grow bigger and bigger. I know that it's going very slow, very slow, but I hope that it will pick up momentum as time goes. So please guys, as I said, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, here it's just tripod. It's been a while since I didn't have a tripod, and I couldn't take videos most of the time, especially the sit downs one. I couldn't because I didn't have a tripod. My tripod got damaged, so I had to get another one. I know this one is the same as the one I used before, and I bought this one because this is what I can afford. It's cheaper for me and it works for me. So this time around I just have to be careful so that I make sure that it doesn't break like the other one, the first one that I was using. So yeah guys, here's the video. Please enjoy it, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and